Splashy, and welcome to SplashLearn. What fun adventure will we explore today? Let's find out. Wow, so many here! These look fun! Let's go!
Coloring adventure.
Do you like coloring? Which drawing would you like to color today? Dinosaurs. Select a drawing and have fun coloring it. Tyrannosaurus Rex. T-Rex. This dinosaur had the strongest bite of any animal on Earth ever. Today, we're going to color Tyrannosaurus Rex. T-Rex. Paint bucket. Red. Yellow. Light red. Red. Stamp. You are an amazing artist! Select a drawing and have fun coloring it. Velociraptor. This dinosaur had the biggest brain of all the dinosaurs. Literally. Today, we're going to color Velociraptor. Paint bucket.
Purple.
Blue. Light green. Light blue.
Purple.
Stamp. Wow! What an amazing painting! Select a drawing and have fun coloring it. Trachodon. Trachodon means rough tooth because they had funky teeth for eating lots of plants. Today, we're going to color Trachodon. Paint bucket.
Purple.
Light red.
Purple.
light blue. Stamp. That was amazing! Select a drawing and have fun coloring it. Triceratops. This dinosaur had the biggest head of all land animals. Today, we're going to color Triceratops. Paint bucket, orange. Yellow. Light orange. Red. Orange. Dark gray. Red. Stamp. Eraser. That was awesome!
Today was so much fun. Stay tuned for more exciting adventures. Until then, keep exploring.
SplashLearn, creating fearless learners around the world.